Happy Saturday, everyone, and good morning. I wasn't going to do a haul today at Dollar General. In my last video, I told you I was doing a yard sale today instead with all my stockpile stuff. But at 8 o'clock this morning, it's already like 80 degrees, and it's supposed to get up to 100 degrees. So that is a no-go. I'm going to do it next weekend because I'm on vacation all week. I don't feel like sitting out in 100-degree weather. All right, so I'm going to go over a haul I did this morning. Tell you what worked, what didn't, if anything didn't. I'm going to announce the $25 Dollar General gift card giveaway. And I'm going to show you a giveaway that I won. And I'll show you what we got for inserts in the paper this week. So watch it all the way through if you want to know that stuff. We'll start with the haul. So I got 2 of the Dove Men Plus Care Body and Face Wash. This one is the Extra Fresh. And this one is the Deep Clean. These are $4.50 a piece. And in last week, I think it's $7.14, Retail Me Not, we have $1.50 off each one. So you're going to use 2 of those $1.50 coupons. And we have a digital coupon in our app for $2 off of 6 when you buy Dove. And it did work in the transaction. I wanted to take advantage of the rest of my Febreze coupons before they ran out. So I got the Febreze Air. This is the Island Fresh, and it is Gain Scented. These are $3 a piece, and we have a coupon, digital coupon for $3 off 2. I also got the car air fresheners. I love these things. These are the Midnight Storm, and they're $3 a piece, and we have a coupon for $3 off 2. Now, my 2 off of 12 Febreze products, the digital coupon did stack with these. It definitely stacked. I know last week some people says theirs didn't stack. Mine did stack 2 weeks in a row. Make sure you're checking it on your scanner, on your app to make sure. I mean, maybe some of the scents aren't compatible for some reason. We know how Dollar General's glitchy like that. But these 2 are the ones I bought last week and this week. So the 2 off of 12 is stacking with these, with the other digital coupons. And I got, using up that last Schick razor coupon I had, these are $4.50 and I had the digital for $3 off. And of course, I used my 5 off of 25. I used the digital one. And my total before tax is $4.50, which is a $21 savings. Not bad. I had a deal that was going to come out to $4.50 where I did the toothpaste and with the instant savings. But instead of the body wash, the Dove body wash, I wanted to get the bar soap. But for some reason, the coupon doesn't scan on the Dove Men Plus Care bar soap. And she read the coupon, she said it matched, and she tried to override it, and it like added the price of the coupon on. So I said, don't worry, I have a plan B, and we'll just do that. All right, and also the last 2 weeks, I did not get on my receipt a paper 5 off 25, but I did this week. So that's good. All right, moving on. Let me just get this out of my lap. Woo, it's hot. Okay, so this week in the paper, I get mine on Saturday. We are getting a Retail Me Not and a pretty thick Smart Source. So that's good. All right, the winner of the $25 gift card. I did randompicker.com, and it just picks somebody. And I wrote their name down. It is Sherry, and I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, Inge, I-N-G-E. All right, Sherry, you have till Monday night at 6 o'clock at night Eastern time to email me and let me know your information, where I should mail this. Yeah, that's all. I'll put my email in the description box, and it's also in my About section on my page. Also, guys, don't forget to scan those receipts on Fetch. The Fetch app, if you don't have it, you just take a picture of your receipt, and it gives you points back, and the points equal money. This weekend, right now, If you use my referral link to get the Fetch app, the first time you scan a receipt, it will give you $3. It usually gives you $2, but right now they're running a promotion for $3 back. So if you don't have it, I will link that in the description box below also. I wanted to share with you guys a giveaway I won. And the name of the channel I won it from is BeautyBossPlanner. She has a fabulous channel. Definitely go check her out if you haven't. She does Dollar Tree hauls. She does a lot of stuff with planners. She's very, very crafty, and she's a real awesome person. So go over there, check her out. Tell her I sent you. She said, I won a planner. So this is the card she sent with it. Isn't it cute? And I'll show you the planner I won. It is the Clever Fox Dotted Notebook. So there it is. I love it. It's rose gold colored. Can't wait to use it. I was like, oh, I need a new notebook. And then I won that like the next day. So that was really awesome. And she threw in some cute stickers. Those are fun. They're so cute. Llama stickers. The glare is something else in here. And this cute pencil case. So I was so excited to win that. Alright guys, I'm on vacation this week, so I'm sure I'll be doing coupon stuff. I don't have too much planned. It's kind of like a staycation, stay at home and relax. I'm exhausted, and I'm cheap, so I'm not going on a vacation. That's about it. If you have any questions, always feel free to answer and ask them in the comments. If I see a question about coupons, I try to get to the comment right away and answer it. I've been horrible about answering comments lately. I'm sorry. I've been doing 12-hour work days. I have a house guest for the next 30 days, so my life's been a little crazy, but I should settle down this week. I will talk to you all later. Give this video a thumbs up if you would, and if you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe, and I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. Bye.